Hey everyone, so today's video is all about Webflow, what it is and whether it's the right tool for you. If you're exploring options for web design and development, then you need to keep watching. Webflow is a web design and development platform that allows you to build responsive websites visually. It's a powerful tool that combines the ease of a drag-and-drop builder with the flexibility of coding without actually writing code. Some of the key features are Visual Designer, where you can build complex layouts with a visual interface. CMS, manage dynamic content like blogs and portfolios. And e-commerce, where you can create online stores with built-in shopping carts and checkout. Also interactions, where you can add animations and interactions to enhance user experience. And hosting, fast and secure hosting included. If you're a designer who wants more control than traditional site builders offer, or a developer looking to speed up workflow, then Webflow is a great choice. It's also ideal for marketers who need to build landing pages quickly. However, there is a slight learning curve, especially if you're new to web design concepts like CSS and the box model. Webflow bridges the gap between design and development, offering a robust platform for building professional websites. Why not give it a try and see if it fits your needs? If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Links are in the description to start your free Webflow trial.